I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a bank account to your Payoneer app can seem tricky at first, but it's pretty straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once you're in the app, look for the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to access account settings. Step 3. Select bank accounts. In the settings menu, find and select the option labeled bank accounts. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Tap on the Add Bank Account button. Fill in the required details such as your bank name, account number, and routing number. Double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank details, review everything to ensure it's correct, then hit the confirm button to save your new bank account. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. Remember, if you enter an incorrect routing number, it could delay your transactions. Happy banking with Payoneer. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.